Good morning. It's Tuesday, and you're watching VPTrade Daily Financial News. Stay ahead of the game by subscribing and joining our community of savvy traders. Kicking off with U.S. markets, the S&P 500 surged to a new record high on Monday, closing up 0.42% at 5,762.48. The Dow also hit an all-time high, closing at 42,330.15. This comes after Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell indicated no rush for further interest rate cuts. Interestingly, Powell mentioned at the Nashville Economics Conference that we could see 2 more rate cuts this year, depending on how the economy evolves. Investors are optimistic, but some analysts, like Jake Dollarhide from Longbow Asset Management, are warning that the Fed might have more in store for 2024. And in European news, inflation numbers are in. Germany's inflation for September hit 1.8%, the lowest since 2021. This drop in inflation, coupled with similar trends in France, Italy, and Spain, is fueling expectations that the European Central Bank, ECB, may cut rates again in their upcoming meeting. Markets are betting on a rate cut in December, and traders have been selling off dollars as inflation eases globally. The euro has hovered around $1.11, while the yen and yuan remain steady. Shifting over to the Forex market, the US dollar strengthened slightly after Powell's speech, now standing at 144.27 yen, a 0.45% increase. Despite recent volatility in the yen due to political transitions in Japan, markets are stabilizing. Japan's incoming Prime Minister, Shigeru Ishiba, is expected to maintain current economic policies, leading to cautious optimism. In cryptocurrency, Bitcoin has surged past $28,000, gaining 6% overnight, as investors eye the upcoming SEC decision on spot Bitcoin ETFs. Market enthusiasm is building, with many hoping for the green light that could potentially bring a flood of institutional investors into the space. Meanwhile, Ethereum is holding steady at $1,650, with analysts watching closely for any signs of volatility ahead of the expected ETF ruling. Lastly, in commodities, gold prices inched up 0.3%, now trading at $2,641 per ounce, following Powell's tempered stance on further aggressive rate cuts. Investors are closely watching U.S. labor data, expected later this week, which could influence gold prices. Meanwhile, oil prices remain steady, with Brent crude at $71.77 per barrel. Despite concerns over tensions in the Middle East, market participants remain focused on rising output from OPEC Plus and weaker demand from China. Thanks for watching today's episode. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to keep up with all the latest in finance. Catch you tomorrow for more insights. Happy trading!